You better save all the toys, guys, or the toys will drown. The birdie will drown. And the cows. Save them. It's nice and refreshing, guys. On a hot day, having a little pool time. Nice. Nice, Sammie. Sammie, you go saving the cow. Let's go save the cow. Save me! Save me! You got it, Rex. Sammie, is the tactic to drink up all the water? And Rex, I don't think that's a good tactic. Oh, Sammie saved the cow! Yay! Happy cow. For some reason the boys don't like the toys to be in the water, or they do, just like to pick them out perhaps. And the birdie is saved. Oh, and this, how about that cow? Go get it. And Rex saves the ball, or whatever you call it. Well done, Rex. And Sammie saves the cow. Yay! Well done, boys. Only one left. Who will get it? Save it, Sammie. Save the big smiley toy. Now what, guys? Daddy will be naughty and put them all back together inside the pool. Oops, sorry, Sammie. No! What are you doing, Daddy? We just saved them. How's it going, Rex? Oh, Sammie saved it. Good boy. Good boy. And let's go. Plumps. Rex wants to save the other toys, but he still don't want to leave the one he's got. Maybe he changed to the other one. Uh-oh. 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 Now all of them are back in the water. Save us. Well done, Sammie. Yay. Rex. What a great save. Sammie, go get the cow. Moo. Save them, guys. If your dog is warm, what you do is in the groin area and the paws, that will cool them down. Rex doesn't want to leave his toy now. That's fine. Come, Sammie. Come. It's a really hot day today. It's a little bit cooler now in the afternoon, so we let the boys have a dip. Yay! You go save it, Sammie. How's it going, Rex? Yeah, well done, Sammie. And now the water is all dirty. Yeah, that's okay. Rex, come. Not quite sure what to do with it. Come, Rex. No, I'm not letting Sammie having this one. Go save the toy, Sammie. Sammie, go get him. Get him. Well done, Sammie. What a lifesaver. You want to help out? Nah, Sammie. Let Rex have his toy. So, we'll soon have to get some new fresh water in there, I think. Is that your favorite toy today, Rex? Nice, Sammie. Good boys. That was the saving toys from the pool from drowning. Two heroes, Rex and Sammie.